Hi friends, this is Mrs. Love with another helpful hints video for you. This video is going to show you how to find your grades in your online school. I have signed on to my account pretending to be a student. When I show you the grade book, mine will look a little bit different than yours because I'm not really a student and I don't have any grades in my grade book. But I want to at least show you how to get there. Now, the first thing is when you go to this main page in your online school and then click on classes, you should see a current grade listed right here for each class. Usually it's a percent and a letter grade. That's kind of just a snapshot of your grades. So you need to keep in mind when you're looking at that every day when a teacher gives a new assignment, that's going to change because every time we open assignment and it's not completed, it looks like you haven't done it. But once the assignment's closed, then you get a better idea of what your actual grade is. So in order to get a true sense of what your grades are, you need to actually go into your class and you actually need to click on the word grades. Let me do it as a student. Okay, so you're going to click on the word grades and you will get a list of grades for that class. This class is American history, so what you will get is a list of assignments and it will show you the name of the assignment. And then over here, it will show you the possible points that you could earn on that assignment. And then under the grade, it will show you the grade that you actually earned once you complete the assignment. Now, some things you need to keep in mind is if the grade space is open with no number in it and just an empty space, that means you haven't done the assignment yet. And that could be because maybe you haven't gotten to it yet in the lesson and the teacher hasn't really assigned it. It could also be because you forgot to do it. Okay. So it's important for you to know in each of your classes what lesson you are on so you can see if you are current with your assignments. So if you are up to lesson 5 in your class, but you only have completed 2 of the assignments, then I would say you're probably behind. Now, if you were to see a 0 under this grade column, that means you either scored 0 on that assignment or you forgot to complete the assignment and it's now closed. After we reach a due date, if after a due date, all incomplete assignments automatically get a 0. So it's important for you to remember you only have until Friday each week to submit your assignments for that week. Okay, so don't get behind because you're going to end up with a lot of zeros. Okay, so that's about it for the grade book. Now, sometimes you might see a line through there. That means the assignment's closed and the teacher has not completed the grading yet. Okay, so anytime you see an open space, don't get alarmed. That just means the grading has not been completed yet. So, as always, if you have any questions about your grades, please ask one of your teachers.